Make a great choice today with 2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.